Let us create some beautiful paper crafts. We start with a letter tree with letters. We have created a trunk, then we cut out some circles and we pasted it on the branches of the tree. Let us create some beautiful paper crafts, and for that, just observe the video and follow the instructions. We start with some flowers and a bouquet. And now we're going to construct another item using seeds. So we are now pasting the seeds in the shape of a tree, and we are now coloring the leaf portion. Now we are going to make our next flower item, and for that we take some straws and the caps of bottles. We take the outline of our hand and we curl the fingers, and then we paste some heart-shaped paper cuttings. Okay, good. Now a circular shape, then paste one more circles, then fold it like a semicircle, add some black spots in it, thus we can make it a watermelon. Here is a spiral, like a spring. Then we roll it to form a rose flower. Then we can add a stem, and this can be placed inside a cover or inside a box. Then you can gift it to someone you love. Again, we are making a spiral. Then that spiral is rolled over a stem. Then we take another stem and we have a bunch of flowers. Do you like ice creams? Then we can make an ice cream. Here we have made a cone, and then we can insert the already made ice cream shape into that. Thus we have ice creams with different colors. Here some narrow rectangular strips of paper are taken. Then we make it like a heart shape. Then we join them together. Thus we have a love line. Let us now make some carrots. Who likes carrot? You like carrot? But rabbits like carrot the most. So let us place these carrots inside the holes that we make in the paper. Now let us make our next item. Here we have made paper fan-like pieces. Then we are joining them together, and we are going to insert it into a pipe-like tube, and when we pull it, it opens.